Have you ever seen a young budgie that cannot fly, even though it looks otherwise healthy? Missing flight feathers, short tails, or chicks sitting at the bottom of the cage, unable to fly. This condition is commonly known as French Moult. Today, we will understand what French Moult is, why it happens, and how breeders can prevent it. French Moult mainly affects young budgie chicks, usually between 2 to 6 weeks of age. During this stage, feathers are still developing, and any problem can seriously affect wing and tail growth. Affected birds may look active, but they struggle to fly or never learn to fly properly. The most common cause linked to French Moult is a virus called psittacine beak and feather disease, also known as PBFD. This virus attacks growing feather follicles and weakens the chick's immune system. It spreads easily through feather dust, droppings, nest boxes, and even from apparently healthy parents feeding their chicks. Some common signs breeders notice include loss of flight feathers, short or missing tail feathers, broken blood feathers, and chicks remaining flightless even after maturity. In some cases, feathers fall repeatedly during growth. French Moult often appears when breeding conditions are not ideal. Overcrowding, poor hygiene, continuous breeding without rest, or stress in parent birds can all increase the risk. Young chicks are especially vulnerable because their immune systems are still developing. Many breeders think French Moult is genetic, but in most cases, it is mainly viral and environmental. However, weak bloodlines or excessive inbreeding can reduce immunity, making chicks more susceptible. Unfortunately, there is no direct cure for viral French Moult, but supportive care can help affected birds live comfortably. Providing good nutrition, a clean environment, reduced stress, and strong hygiene practices can greatly improve outcomes. Some birds may partially recover after their first molt, while others may remain poor flyers. Prevention is always the best solution. Keep nest boxes clean and disinfected, avoid overcrowding, provide a balanced breeding diet, and allow breeding pairs proper rest between clutches. If you notice affected chicks, separate them early to protect the rest of your aviary. French Moult can be frustrating for breeders, but understanding the condition helps us protect our birds better. Healthy management, cleanliness, and responsible breeding practices are the strongest defenses. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you understand French Moult better, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more budgie breeding and care videos.